Sometimes we have to place a group of pictures in one or two pages and may feel a bit overwhelmed about how to distribute them. Here are 3 super simple tips that will help you design the best pages ever. If you have a combination of black and white and coloured pictures, instead of grouping them together, try and mix them, creating a more dynamic page. To swap images when having the auto layout activated, you can simply drag one photo over the one you wish to swap it with. Or select the photos you want to swap and click the Swap Selected Images button. Unless you intentionally want to make a sequence, try to avoid placing similar pictures together to generate diversity. To replace the photo, you just need to select and hold the photo from the folder and drag it over the photo you want to replace. Instead of placing photos with the same frame together, try to combine close-ups with wide pictures to create a more attractive aesthetic. We recommend using the Mix Images tool to easily try out new combinations. These are our tips. Now it's your turn.